He lost everything. But he came back stronger, and you can too. Stay with me. This story will give you strength. Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English Official. I am very happy you are here today. This video is made for people who want to learn English. It is easy to follow and good for practice. Today, you will listen to a simple and powerful story. It is about Steve Jobs, a man who changed the world. He did not finish college, but he never stopped learning. He followed his curiosity and believed in his dream. As you listen, follow the words on the screen. You will hear correct pronunciation and see how simple English sentences are made. If you don't understand a sentence, pause, breathe, and listen again slowly. Step by step, you will grow more confident. Every minute, every sentence, every word. You are learning English, and you are also learning about life. This is how you get stronger. One small step every day. Thank you for choosing Easy English Official. Let's begin this story together. And enjoy learning English. Chapter 1. Follow your curiosity. Steve Jobs went to college with hope in his heart. He wanted to learn, but he did not know what he really wanted. Many students felt the same, and Steve was one of them. He felt lost, confused, and unsure about the future. College life was not easy for him. Classes felt empty to his mind, and he did not enjoy what he learned. He tried to follow the normal path, but it did not feel right. He began to question everything inside. Money was also a big problem. His parents spent all their savings to send him to college. He felt pressure and sadness because they worked so hard. He did not want to waste their sacrifice. After 6 months, Steve made a big choice. He decided to leave college and follow his heart. People thought he was crazy and irresponsible. But Steve believed in his own path. Leaving college was scary. He had no clear plan and no guarantee of success. He walked into an uncertain future. But deep inside, he trusted himself. Life became very simple for Steve. He slept on friends' floors because he had no dorm room. He collected bottles for money to buy food. He walked long distances just to eat one free meal. Even in this hard life, Steve felt free. He had no rules to follow. He listened to his heart every single day. He followed curiosity instead of fear. One day, Steve discovered a calligraphy class. Calligraphy means beautiful writing and beautiful letters. He did not need the class for a job, but something inside him said, "Try this." The class was magical to him. The letters were beautiful like art. The shapes and lines made him feel calm and inspired. He did not understand why, but he loved it. He learned serif and sans serif fonts. He learned spacing and balance in letters. He saw beauty in every stroke. Every lesson made him excited. Steve did not think this skill would help his future. Everyone thought it was useless, but he continued because his heart felt happy. Curiosity was his guide. Years passed after that class. Steve started a company called Apple with his friend. They worked in a small garage. No one knew they would change the world. Time moved forward. Steve created the first Macintosh computer. When he designed it, he remembered calligraphy. He added beautiful fonts and letters to the computer. People loved the Macintosh. It was new, different, and beautiful. Computers looked cold before, but now they felt like art. Steve's curiosity gave technology a new soul. That one calligraphy class became a big part of Apple's magic. It changed how computers looked forever. It made Apple special. And it started with one simple choice. Steve looked back and smiled at his journey. He realized he could not see the future then, but the dots connected later. Everything made sense over time. He learned that you cannot plan every step in life. You must walk with faith sometimes. You must trust your heart, even when the road is dark. You must follow curiosity. Steve believed curiosity is powerful. It opens doors you cannot see. It guides you to ideas and dreams. It shows you who you really are. Many people follow the safe path. They choose comfort over passion. But Steve chose a risky road. He chose courage and creativity. Curiosity helped him grow. It made him see life differently. It made him think in new ways. It made him brave. Steve trusted his mistakes too. He believed mistakes give lessons. He believed failure is not the end. He believed falling down helps you stand stronger. When he looked back, Steve felt proud. The dots connected beautifully. Every strange step made sense later. Nothing was wasted. He wanted the world to know his lesson. Do not be afraid to walk a different path. Do not fear confusion. Confusion is part of finding your truth. He said, you cannot connect the dots looking forward. He said, trust your heart and your future. He believed destiny listens to brave hearts. He believed life supports courage. Curiosity gave Steve his success. It gave him design, beauty, and vision. It gave him the power to dream bigger. It gave him the courage to be himself. His story teaches us one thing. When you do not know what to do, follow curiosity. When life confuses you, listen to your heart. Your passion will guide you home. Some roads look strange at first. Some choices look crazy, but your heart knows your path. Trust your inner voice. Steve followed curiosity, and the world changed. You can do the same. Your story can grow too. Begin with one brave step today. Chapter 2. Love your work. Steve loved computers from a young age. He felt excited when he touched a machine. He saw a future that many people did not understand. His heart felt alive when he worked with technology. He did not wait for a big office. He did not wait for perfect conditions. He started Apple in a small garage. He started with passion, not money. The garage was simple and small, but his dream was big. He worked day and night. He believed something great would happen. Steve did not work alone. His friend Woz worked with him. They dreamed together. They believed together. Those early days were hard. They had no big team. They had no luxury. They only had hope and energy. Every day they built and tested. They made mistakes and tried again. They learned by doing. They never stopped moving forward. Soon, Apple grew fast. More people saw the vision. More people joined the journey. The dream was becoming real. Steve worked with love every day. He cared about every detail. He wanted computers to feel human. He wanted people to enjoy technology. After 10 years, Apple became a big company. It was famous and respected. Thousands of people worked there. Their small dream turned into a big world. But success did not protect Steve. One day, the company changed. The leaders and Steve did not agree. The company he built pushed him out. He felt broken inside. Imagine building a home and being told to leave. Imagine giving your heart and losing everything. That pain was real for Steve. He felt lost and sad. Everything he worked for disappeared in one moment. People talked about him everywhere. He felt like a public failure. But pain did something powerful to him. It did not kill his spirit. It woke him up again. It reminded him why he loved his work. Steve did not quit. He did not hide. He stood up again. And he chose to start new things. He created Next, a new company. He worked with energy again. He felt excited once more. He felt like a beginner, and he loved it. He also started Pixar. People did not understand Pixar at first, but Steve believed in storytelling and computers. He believed magic can come from passion. Pixar made Toy Story. It became the first 3D animated movie. The world loved it. Pixar became a legend. While Steve worked, something amazing happened. Apple needed new ideas again. Apple remembered Steve's vision. They invited him back. Steve returned to Apple with a strong heart. He came back with new lessons. He came back with more creativity. He came back to build again. Apple changed again after Steve returned. It became strong, creative, and powerful. New products came to life. A new age of technology began. Steve felt proud and thankful. He lost everything, but he did not quit. He chose love over fear, and life rewarded him. He learned that love gives power. Hard work becomes joy when you love it. Failure becomes fuel when passion stays alive. Love makes you start again. Steve said something powerful. Do what you love. These words are simple, but they are true. They can change a life. He believed everyone has a calling. He believed your heart always knows. You must listen carefully. You must trust your feelings. He said, if you have not found it yet, keep looking. Do not give up on your passion. Do not choose comfort over purpose. Do not settle. Steve's story teaches us to follow love. Love makes work meaningful. Love gives energy every morning. Love builds dreams. When you love what you do, you rise again. You stand up after failure. You smile during struggle. You grow stronger with time. Steve's journey shows that success is not a straight line. It is pain, hope, fall, and rise. It is learning and trying again. It is love guiding every step. So remember this lesson. Find what you love. Follow it with all your heart. One day, your dream will bloom like his. Thank you for watching. Remember this. Believe in yourself. Follow your heart. Never give up. You are learning English and you are building your future. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe to Easy English Official for more simple English motivation. Stay strong. Stay curious. Keep learning every day. See you next time.